Unpacking your TV the correct way makes for a safe and easy install. First, let's open the box. Before getting started, review the quick setup guide. Make sure you have a suitable space to remove your TV and assemble the stand. For some larger models, you'll need to be sure you have enough space to attach the stand while the TV remains vertical. Next, remove the contents from the top. These may vary based on your model. Then, remove the top styrofoam. With the help of a friend, remove the top part of the box, as well as the styrofoam piece protecting the display. Depending on the model of your television, there may be additional hardware packed alongside the panel. Now again, if you have a larger model, you'll leave your TV in the box to install the stand, so disregard the rest of this procedure. For all other models, grab that friend again to help you remove your TV panel. You'll want to use the styrofoam grooves and the top corners of the panel itself as you lift it from the box. And be careful not to squeeze the panel, as this could cause damage. Lay the panel face down onto the soft surface with the bottom of the TV near the edge.